asking questions on my Discord video. That is a good idea, Lieutenant. Meowbah.
What is this? This is already so very cringe.
Lieutenant. Meowbah. What are your opinions on gay people? Meow's a proud LGBT supporter. Meowbah.
Why did it sound like she hates LGBT, but you know, meowbah. I don't like her right now.
Opinion on Fundy. Meow loves Fundy. Meow has a Fundy plushie.
Oh no, not Fundy. No, why Fundy? Why?
See what happens. Meowbah, can you do a flip? Wish.
Okay, the first comment, like what the tail, I don't even get it as well. But the second comment, that's not a flip, that's just being like a helicopter something.
I drew Meowbah. Meow appreciates all gift art. Arigato, Mori-sama. Meowbah.
No, I can draw meowbah better. I'll show you, and I'll show you a video I'll record it, I promise.
Bye, guys.